Here we are at the AJ Hacket Bungee jumping, Kawarau Bridge. I've been looking forward to this bike trail for some time. It should be a good day. On reflection, I think it's pronounced Kawarau. Crack up. Best toilet sign ever. Yeah, it's great.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the...
No bike trip's complete without a good llama. Love a llama.
I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
So after a 12k ride, we've finally made it into the old gold mining town of Arrowtown. Wouldn't mind a little faucet while I'm here, actually, to be fair.
since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the dreams.
Whew, those walls look terribly thin. Hope they use sheep's wool or something for insulation. But apparently they probably high as kites because they smoked a lot of opium back in the day, apparently, according to the sign.
With you.
Ooh, that's a long walk in the height of winter. It's for number twos. I met this lovely couple down by the riverbed, trying their luck for panning for a bit of gold. So it was about the stage when I ran out of memory on the GoPro, but I can assure you I did make it back to Kawarau Bridge and stayed the night there in the van. It was very peaceful and lovely, actually. What wasn't so lovely, however, was the very sore ass, spending 24 Ks on a mountain bike on the saddle. Not used to that, but don't know that warrior. Just got to do a little bit more of it. I hope you enjoyed that bike ride with me into Arrowtown. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out a great deal so I can make some more videos. Really appreciate it. Please join me on my next video. We'll be looking around the lovely Queenstown. Bye for now.